Okay, shalom, my sweetest friends. You know, I want to share something with you. You know, I think it's clear, it's so clear to me, and I know it's clear to you, it's clear to all the whole world. Right now, we're the Jewish people going through so much, right? And it's so clear how important it is that we love each other. We Jewish people, we need to be so close to each other. And of course, Mamush, goes with that same, we love the whole world as well. But first thing is, Mamush, you gotta fix your own home, right? Your own bayit, your own house. We have to fix how we are with our own brothers and sisters, the Jewish people. So I want to tell you a story. Happened one time, the Holy Reb Leibele Eiger comes to shul. And it's 2:00 in the afternoon. And he sees a young man sitting there at the table, learning Gemara, learning Talmud. And he has in front of him, this young man, a brand new talis and tefillin. Because he was recently married, you know, and he just got everything brand new. And comes in Reb Leibele Eiger and says to him, would it be okay with you if I borrow your talis and tefillin? You know, I didn't daven yet. So, you know, okay, what can you do, right? So a Yid asked you in shul to borrow the talis and tefillin, you have to give it to him. So the young Bacha gives the talis and tefillin, and the whole time he's thinking, so what a chutzpah, you know. What a chutzpah, you know. 2:00 in the afternoon, he's davening Shacharis, what's going on? The morning service is not right, you know. But Reb Leibele takes the talis and tefillin, he goes over to the window, he's standing there 20 minutes. Then he walks over to the Aron Kodesh. He stands 5 minutes in front of the Aron Kodesh where the Torah is, and he's davening a little more under the talis. And then he comes back, takes off the talis and tefillin. He's ready to give the talis and tefillin to this young man. Return it to him. The young man says to him, let me ask you something. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You're coming to daven 2:00 in the afternoon. He said, I'm here from 5 in the morning, you know. I daven nets, I daven mamash the earliest I possibly could, you know. I'm learning for hours. And you're coming now? Aren't you ashamed of yourself? So Reb Leibele Eiger says to him, I'll tell you something. He said, if you're learning your Gemara and you're davening L'Shem Kol Yisrael, B'Shem Kol Yisrael, so then, okay, if you're learning and you're learning B'Shem Kol Yisrael, so then I'm also learning because you learn from me. And if you didn't learn B'Shem Kol Yisrael, for all of Israel, so then who needs your learning? Reb Leibele Eiger hands back the talis to him. The young Bacha takes the talis and he realizes the talis is soaking wet with tears. That for half an hour, whatever it was, Reb Leibele is standing by the window, by the Aron Kodesh, and he's crying, pouring his heart out. And he realizes that Reb Leibele Eiger is mamash a holy man. Okay, anyway, he says to him, tell me something. The young man says to Reb Leibele, What were you thinking when you're looking out the window? The Reb Leibele Eiger says, I'll tell you the truth. You see across the street, there's a Cossack standing there. And this Cossack, I don't want to say bad things, but he's drinking whiskey day and night. He's drunk most of the time. But if his commander would come and say to him, go left and don't go right, there's no question he's going to go left. And if the big general will come, tell him, go left, don't go right, he'd die 1,000,000 times before he would not listen. And Reb Leibele says to him, and me, God's always telling me, go right, I'm always going left. Go left, I'm always going right. Always making mistakes. So that's why I'm crying. Okay, I want to say something very strong. You know, today, Mamish, it's so important that we be connected to all of Israel. You know, this week's Parsha, we're learning Moshe Rabbeinu is taking Am Yisrael out of Egypt, you know. Moshe Rabbeinu is being the chosen for his new mission to go to Paro and take the children of Israel out of Egypt. You know how much Moshe Rabbeinu cares about every Jew. Why did God choose him? Because he's the Raya Mehemna, he's the faithful shepherd. Mamish loves every Jew. Everything he does is mamish for all of his people. So friends, I'm begging you with all my heart. And I, Baruch Hashem, had the schus to be so close to the Rebbe, Reb Shlomo. You know, there's a lot of Rebbes, maybe they're machpid, you know, on this kashrus or that kashrus. Or maybe they're machpid, how long your sleeves are, you know, or how you have to dress. I don't know what. And I'm not putting it down. It's also important. But my Rebbe, Reb Shlomo, he was machpid on Ahavat Israel, on loving every Jew. So friends, I want to just bless this mamash. We should be so connected to Moshe Rabbeinu. We should be so connected to the Rebbe, Reb Shlomo. We should be so connected to all the Rebbes. And we should be so connected to every Jew. Like Shlomo says, it's not enough to believe that every Jew is holy. Maybe sometimes I'm not. I'm always making mistakes. But Gevalt, every Jew is Kadosh Kadoshim. Every Jew is the Holy of Holies. And especially I want to thank our Holy Chayalim, our holy soldiers, who are the beyond holy. They are the high priest going into the holy temple, the Holy of Holies, Mamish, for the sake of all of Israel. So my Finnish friends, I want to sing one little song, Kabbat Shabbos. And I'm dedicating this to all of Am Yisrael, Mamish, with all my heart and soul.
Oh